I spent my whole life to create a new superhuman formula. I tried hard and harder. And I believe one day I will be.
Don't worry, we won't make fun of you.
I love historical places.
Can't wait to see what's inside.
The museum is so beautiful.
Whoa! What was that? I didn't dream that. It was real. Whoa! Hold on! I've got this! No way! Coming through! What the heckin' on? That kid just... Wow! Are you okay?